All right, y'all. Y'all always talking about, oh, it's in the Springs, not put that in the Springs. Well, today's showing is in the Sulphur Springs area. 1,502 square feet, listed at 575,000. Wow. As you can see, man, this home was definitely maintained. Man, this home is a beautiful, man. This home is riverfront home, man. You cannot beat this, man. Oh, I want to hear it talking about the Springs, not for that in the Springs. Listen, 575. I think this is a great buy, man. Zestimate mortgage, you coming in at about almost $4,000 a month, man. Almost $900 a month, ladies and gentlemen, property taxes. And that home insurance, you know it's $200 because you own the water and you got to have some, that flood zone and all that. Yeah, man, let me know what y'all think about this home in the Sulphur Springs area. If you know, you know. This home was built in 1972. Look at that beautiful kitchen. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord, look at the view. Man, I'm feeling good about this one, man. This house is lovely. No HOA, guys. The lot it sits on is coming in at about 0.37 acre. I know y'all see the pool. Jacuzzi. I know y'all see the pool. I don't have anything bad to say about this house. I know y'all will, though. Let me hear it. Be nice, though. Look at the deck. Nice driveway. Oh, man, this home has it all, man. Oh, my God. Look at the little walkway. Nice. Just speechless. Like, comment, share, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Riverfront, Sulphur Springs, 575,000. So nice I had to come back and see it again.